Howdy folks, this is Jethro. It's just time for another episode of Sunday Morning Model Cars and Coffee. This one will be, as I'm going through a series of vehicles that I've owned, this one will be covering the fourth and fifth vehicles that I owned. I don't have a model of the fourth one, but it's pretty close to the fifth one here. So anyway, got my Ford coffee mug for the day. Well, with a Ford hauling a Chevrolet, but we won't tell anybody about that. But anyway, this is my next vehicle that I owned was a Ford F100. I bought a 76 F100 and had that for a little while and just decided to move that one out and buy a 79, a brand new one, a 79. So that's what I built the model after, is the 79. That's what this one is. My I say the fifth truck. I've got a couple pictures of them, the actual one-to-ones. I'm gonna show them here. And the first photograph is photographic evidence that Jethro did once upon a time have hair. So you guys might enjoy that or laugh at it or something. But show you a couple pictures of them, then we'll get back to this. Alright, so I've unhooked the race car and the car trailer from Saturday night's racing since it's Sunday morning. Guess we were tired when we got home and didn't unload it Saturday night. But anyway, this model here in front of you, since it's model cars and coffee, we'll go with the model. This is the AMT Superstones Firestone truck. It was released way back, well, I guess when, in the late 70s, early 80s. I think it was 78 is when it was released originally, and it was reproduced by Round 2. I had one of those kits way back, probably in the mid 80s. I found one, and I opened the box, and it was warped beyond repair. I don't know what I know about boiling, steaming water and all of that, if that would have helped it, but I doubt it. It was bad, and I tried to straighten it out, and I made things worse, and I just gave up. And I always wanted to get another kit, but until they reproduced them, they were very scarce and kind of expensive, and I'm kind of cheap, so I didn't get one. So anyway, it's not a great kit. You got to work at it to get things to fit. Once it's done, it looks really good. Other than I did learn a couple of things where I kind of trusted the model molds putting the bed together, and you can see it doesn't fit real well. The bed sides, knowing what I know now, I would have put the bed on there and then put the sides on and made them fit up with the sides better. But anyway, that's gonna be, like I say, my fourth and fifth vehicles that I owned. Like I say, I'm trying to build models of most of them. I probably, if I could get a 76 grill, because it's completely different than that, I may consider building one for the other one, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But just wanted to come on and share that with you. And I got a few more photographs of some of the days. I actually still have the 79 F100. It's still sitting outside. I still have it, still drive it, still runs good. Been a really good truck. Had a lot of good years out of that one. So that's kind of a unique thing to keep a vehicle that long. I'm kind of a strange guy, I guess. So, but anyway, that about wraps it up. I'm not going to keep you too long. Just wanted to come on and share that, and hope you all have a great week coming up. And y'all take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one. This is Jethro, over and out.